Hey guys, it's Matt here from Addicted to Tools, and what I'm taking you through today is the switchblade hole saw from Milwaukee. What I'm doing today is actually changing, if you can see, it's the main blade. Let's see if I can focus on this a bit. You can see the main blade, a couple of chunks out of it. It's a couple of years old now, and I finally found a replacement. It's a 51 mil, so they have all different size replacements. This is a 51 mil hole saw, and let's go through it. All right, so I'm going to start off by basically taking out the nut in there. It's in there pretty tight. And then what you should be able to do is basically take this middle part out. Fairly tight, and that's what you have in the middle. That part's your pilot bit, and basically that nut goes in there and holds it together. So now this should just fall out like that, nice and easy. As you can see, it's not looking too good. What we'll do, open up our new one. As you can see, massive difference. And that just slots back in. So, only goes one way. Throw that back in. Back in there. Tighten that back up. Oh, don't drop it. And there you have it. Fresh new blade. Ready to go. So that's the switchblade. The number is 48-25-5135. You can see that there. That's the part number. So there you have it, guys. A brand new blade on the switchblade. The benefits of this are that it's only a $10 blade. So for 10 bucks, I swapped the whole hole saw. That's lasted me quite a few years. So it's all the outside's still really good, and you don't have to buy a whole new hole saw. I think they're about 40-50 bucks, so they can be pricey. But I do like the blade being interchangeable. So thanks, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out my Instagram, which is Addicted to Tools, for other content, and vice versa. Head over to YouTube. I've got a lot of other content over there. Thanks, guys. Cheers.